You know how much I love a good DIY project, and today I've got something really fun for you. We're going to turn these 2 cardboard boxes into a DIY tractor. If you've ever seen a real tractor, you'll know they are huge. Luckily, today we're making a much smaller one. Tractors are vital for farmers, and World Vision helps families in rural communities get proper farming equipment. They help communities grow vegetable gardens for their home to give children the chance to eat nutritious, homegrown meals. World Vision's work goes even further than food. Thanks to supporters all around the world, every 60 seconds a family receives the tools and training to overcome poverty. Here's the tractor. Shall we name it? How about Trevor the tractor? While it won't plough fields, it's a really great reminder of the power of farming and the impact of World Vision. Next time you get an Amazon box, use it to remember the amazing work that World Vision is doing to fight hunger and poverty for children worldwide.